Maritime India Conference in Expo 2025 established itself as a landmark international platform for the marine and maritime sectors. Held from January 22nd to 24th, 2025 at the Bombay Exhibition Centre, Mumbai, the three-day event brought together global industry leaders to foster dialogue and explore strategic partnerships across the maritime ecosystem. The event was inaugurated by Shri Sarbanand Sonowal, Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India, alongside Mr. T.K. Ramachandran, Secretary, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, and Mr. Shyam Jagannathan, Directorate General of Shipping.
India today is the second leading nation in ship recycling. The Maritime India Vision propels it to number one globally.
I would like to urge all members of the industry to participate in large numbers in the various schemes that we are now implementing.
This is the mode of transportation which is key to the growth of human civilization. In all the aspects, civilization creating an ecosystem across the world for our friendship, love and affection, and also creating a greatest human task to everybody.
Key associations included J.M. Bakshi as the exclusive event partner and Andhra Pradesh Maritime Board as the partner state. Spread across 10,000 square meters of net exhibition space, the expo hosted over 200 Indian and international companies, with a footfall exceeding 7,200 visitors, 5,651 domestic and 1,549 international. Over 2,930 B2B meetings were facilitated, generating robust investment leads and reinforcing global engagement in India's maritime growth. The conference spotlighted key themes such as port infrastructure, shipping and logistics, maritime technology, and the blue economy, while aligning with strategic national programs like Maritime India Vision 2030 and the Sagarmala Initiative.
I think FICCI has done a very good job to bring all the stakeholders in the industry together.
A notable highlight was the launch of the FICCI CRISIL Knowledge Report, Forging New Horizons, which positioned India as a rising global hub for shipbuilding and marine services.
This event is going to help everyone, and I look forward for such events in future, and also taking forward all those discussions and decisions which are made here.
Maritime India 2025 delivered on its promise of being a transformative forum, catalyzing industry progress, international collaboration, and shaping the future of India's maritime ambition.